Hi, Susanna. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for the like. I appreciate you, Susanna. How are you? I'm not feeling well, so I'm not going to do too much talking, but thank you so much. Maybe I have to do this to get the green thing to come up. Trying to do the pictures, it won't go. Nothing. Okay. Trying to do this thing, it won't work. Need the green screen to work. Come on. Thank you for coming in. Don't forget to like. There it is. That's me and my mommy. Feel well. Who is us? Thank you so much for being here, guys. How you all doing? How you doing? Let's see. You like that picture? You like that picture? How about that one? You like it? That's me. It's me, oh Lord, standing in the need of prayer. Not my brother, not my sister, but it's me, oh Lord, standing in the need of prayer. See if I can call my mom in here. It's me, oh Lord. I'm standing in the need of prayers. Not my brother, not my sister, but it's me, oh Lord. I'm standing in the need of prayers. Hey guys, I just want to thank you for coming in. If you haven't subscribed, please feel free. We're trying to get to 10,000. Okay? 10K, 10K, 10K. That's the reason. Okay, guys? We're trying to get to 10,000. Right? So that's what we're working on. Microphone access on. Words. What's up on? Hold on, let me take this call. Call you back. Oh, okay. Hello. Hey guys, how you doing today? I saw a couple people came in. Don't forget to like the live. Don't forget we are accepting super chat, membership, everything today. Yes, we are. We're ready to grow to 10K. Let's do it. Let's do this. I think we can do this before August. What do you guys think? Yeah, I want to grow to 10K before August. Let's do it. Let's celebrate 10K. Can you imagine 10,000 people know me? Yeah, 10,000 people are my friends. I have no friends in real life. And then I will get 10,000 friends thanks to you too. This is exciting. YouTube is great for introverts. Because we have no friends in real life and then we end up with 10,000. 10,000? That's awesome. That's superb. Don't forget to like the live. That's my question. Where's my question? Start. No, run and come in. Run and come in. Run and come in. They must say, run and come in. Run and come in. Run and come in. Run and come in. Start the question and answer. Yeah, let's go. Let's see. I can't move it. It ever stay there so? How you doing? How you doing? Please, please, please give the live a like. Please. How you doing? Welcome in. Happy Tuesday. I am not well, but you see, I still got to work. YouTube is a job. Even though I'm not feeling well, I'm still here to connect. I'm still here waiting on you to come in, waiting on you to hit that thumbs up, waiting on you to show some love, waiting on you to show some kindness, to hit the subscribe, to send a gift, super chat, anything. I'm here for you guys. I am here for you guys. I'm not feeling well with my hair. It's me, oh Lord. I'm standing in the need of prize. Not my brother, not my sister, but it's me, oh Lord. I'm standing in the need of prize. Surprise, I cannot sing, but I sing to the Lord. I do. And I pray. I do. Lord, I just want to thank you for another day. Thank you for giving us this beautiful day. Thank you for showing us your love. Thank you. Thank you for giving us the It's me. It's me. I just want to pray today. That's all I just want to do. I just want the Lord to come into my heart, come into my soul, come into my heart, come into my heart, come into my heart, Lord Jesus. Coming to stay, come in, I pray, coming to my heart, Lord Jesus. It's me, it's me, it's me, oh Lord. I'm standing in the need of bride. Not my brother, not my sister, but it's me, oh Lord. Standing in the need of bride. I want to see how the poll works, so please do the poll. Once you hit subscribe and you come on in, hit the answer the question so I can see how this poll works. I've never really done a poll like this, so bless me, Almighty Jah, bless me, for I don't know what my sins, wash away my sins, oh Lord. Hello, thank you so much for clicking on the live. Please don't forget to hit the like. How are you today? If you want to hide, that's fine, but thank you for coming in. That's really funny. Boy, I'm free, them just click and run. Click and run. Click and run. What is this click and run business, eh? Click and run business. Are you eating tonight? What are you cooking?
Steak, shrimp, salad.
Sure.
Okay. Feel any better?
No, thank
you.
you. I ate a salad today, but I think the salad made me feel worse.
You may have caught that sickness everybody had, where it made you feel weak and all of that.
Yeah, I was calling to see if you guys could pick me up at the.
Why you gotta call me?
I don't think your number is in my new phone. I'll put it in there.
Is it you have WhatsApp on it now, right?
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
text you right now. Okay.
Yeah. Them people, what does that mean? Mm? YouTube, what is up? Oh, can I go over? I went over to someone live and they have just a picture of and they have so many people watching. What? Why I don't have anybody watching? What did I do to YouTube? What in the world I did to YouTube? Huh? What exactly did I do to YouTube? I only not watching this thing. What? Here's how I got my team to use Monday Sales CRM and actually like it. Let me start by saying it's so easy to use that I love it right away. Onboarding is seamless and now everything. What? Hi guys, hi Lucy. Please click on the link. There's a link that's pinned. Click on the link that's pinned so you can watch the video. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe, guys, once you watch that video. Thank you. It's pinned. Hi guys, thank you for clicking on the live. Don't forget to like before you go, and please watch the pin. Click on the pin to watch that video that's at the pin. Those I know there are a few people in the background that's hiding behind the curtains. Could you please click on the link that's pinned and watch their video? Alright? That's our new video. Thank you. It's pinned right there. Come on, guys, don't forget to like the live when you come in and click on the pin and watch the video that's pinned. Thank you. That's our most recent video. Okay, guys? It's pinned right there on the link. Thank you, Lucy, for coming in. Please click on the pin link. And to anyone that's watching, thank you for subscribing to me. Let me sing myself. Lord, give me strength to face another day. Carry on, my love. Give me strength. Oh, Lord. Oh, my Lord. Give me strength to face another day. Carry on, my love. Give me strength to face another day. I don't forget to like the live. Thank you for coming in. Thank you. And if you're a new subscriber, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Oh, appreciate it. Lucy, thank you. Thank you so much for coming back. Lucy, I pinned my new video. I would truly appreciate it if you watch the pin link. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for being here. Lucy. Lucy, you haven't been here in a while because I cleared all my handles a long time ago. Or maybe you came and I was sleeping before one time or something. Share me out, please, Lucy. Please, pretty please. Help me to get to 10K, Lucy. Yeah? No? No? I hope she okay. Thank you so much for clicking on the live. Don't forget to like, and there's a link that's pinned. Please watch the video that's pinned. It's our newest video. Thank you. I appreciate you. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Guys, click on the link and give my mom a shout out in the comment when you watch the video. Let her know that you appreciate her. Because trust me, she's very sensitive. At 70 years old, she, yeah, they do get sensitive. It's like, if I say something, she's like, okay, I'm not doing any more videos. They don't like my video. So, guys, make sure you go over to the link that's pinned and comment and give my mom a shout out. She's 70 and she's still cooking and doing everything, you know. Hi, Wasim. Good morning. Thank you for coming to the live. Can you make sure to like the live for me, Wasim? And also, could you please watch the video that I pinned? That's my newest video. If you could watch that video for me, I would surely appreciate it. It's pinned right there. You can just click on that link and it takes you to our newest video. Lord, give me strength. Please, guys, please watch the new video. That's the link right there, guys. Right there. There's the link. It's pinned. It's me, oh Lord. Standing in the need of fire. Please go over and watch our new video, please, guys. Like up the live when you come in. Be kind. Be kind. Please, guys, make sure to click on the link that's pinned. The link is pinned to our newest video. So if you could please like the live after subscribing and make sure to click on the link and watch our newest video. And make sure to comment and let my mom know how great she did, because she is very sensitive at her age, at 70 years old. She's like, did they like my video? Did they like my video? So show some love and comment and let her know, hey mama, we watching you make your curry goat. You know, show her some love, guys. Definitely. Wasim, thank you for coming back. I have a link that's pinned. It's my newest video. Could you please watch it? Please watch my newest video. It's pinned. Please, and say hi to my mom in the comments. It's the link to my newest video is pinned. And don't forget to like the live. Show some love and hit that thumbs up. How are you? How is Pakistan doing? Hope all is well. I know they were having some India and Pakistan confusion, but I see it's better now. That's awesome. We're back to normal. Not open? No? Oh, my new video not open? On pin. Really? Let's see. Okay, let me try again. Let me go back to it. Thank you for letting me know. I wonder why. I just did it. Let me try again. Thank you for letting me know. My friend Wasim, thank you. Now I gotta go back to let's see. Where's me? So many people came in and they didn't like the live. What's wrong with them? I still only have 4 likes. Have you liked the live, Wasim? Have you liked the live though? You like the live is the question. Oh, there's a link right there. Is it not gonna? Let me see, chat. That should be the link. Let me click on it. Let's see where it take me. Oh, it take me there. It worked. It worked, Wasim. It worked for me. I just clicked on it and it took me to the video. I don't know what happened. There's the link again. I just put the link into our newest video, guys. Don't forget to like the live. And I'm gonna pin this one. I just put it back in there. Thank you for the red heart. My friend Wasim, thank you. Thank you so much. How you doing? I wasn't feeling well today, but I still came on live to just do a little live. I'm on for almost an hour now. I just need everybody to watch my new video today. I'm trying to get the link to go. So yeah. Thank you for giving me this day. Thank you for giving me this day. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. And did you like the live? As yet was seen, did you hit the like button? Hit the thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up. Thank you. Okay. It's a lot of things going on in America right now. This one of the biggest trial. This trial is like O.J. Simpson with this guy P. Diddy. It seems like a lot of people are involved with him, like the Warner Brothers, a lot of rich people. I don't even know what they said about President Obama, but they said something about President Obama So I'm gonna have to listen to that today and get back with you guys. But this P. Diddy case is way beyond me. It is way above me because now Prince left his last message saying Prince the artist, yes, the singer. He left a message saying, "If anything happens to me, please find this person." And he mentioned Sean Diddy Combs' address and everything. He felt like because he was going to speak up what they were doing to the singers, like the young upcoming singers, once they want to get famous, if the music industry don't want them to be famous, they just shut them down and do bad things to them. And Prince was gonna stand up for those singers, but they pretty much tell Prince that you're not above us, we can get rid of you. So now we don't even know, what really happened with Prince. If if someone took his life or not. It's really looking bad for P. Diddy. I wish he never got so caught up in that life. You know? Look like he got real caught up in all kinds of stuff. Yeah, look like he got real caught up in some stuff. Okay? Can't even. And then he have all these kids. It's so sad. And these people are so heartless. What they want the kids to do, they were talking about the kids that, they're flying from state to state and country to country and they're renting different properties. And so the kids should stop living because their father on trial. Just leave the kids alone. Leave the kids out of it. Yes, this Sean Diddy thing is serious. It's really serious. Guys, just you gotta don't try to get rich too quick and don't try to do things that you're not supposed to. You see, me, I have never wanted to be rich. Never, ever. I never, ever wanted to be rich. I just wanted to be able to afford to live. That's it. A nice home and a car, a dependable car, and my kids. My kids should have all the necessities, and then I'm good. All the necessary things, and I'm good. I never wanted to be rich. I never wanted. I didn't like flossing and stuff. I have a bag right now, my regular purse, it's an Aldo purse. And you know that I took my backpack, that's an Aldo purse, and put it into a 99 cents bag. I walk with the 99 cents bag because that's me. I don't care what people think. And if this bag is more comfortable and it's a cheap bag, it's 99 cents, I'm going to use it. So I never wanted to be rich. Never, never wanted to be. I'm okay. Right now, give me a piece of land in the woods and a tiny home. You are giving me like $10 million for that. Yeah. Because look what happened to P. Diddy. He's so rich, and look how it looked like for him to get rich like that. He had, I guess, when he sued those people. Yeah, I think he had a case with those people, and from then he's just spiraling down. I didn't even know the guy's on all kinds of stuff, substance. Sad. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Wasim, for your support. I hope you did like the live. Thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart because it's been very slow. Been very slow. I don't know what's going on. Whitey just slowed me down. Like, hey, but it is what it is. I guess I'm getting too close to 10K. They're like, it's not time for you to get to 10K. We shall slow that one down. Let's pull the plugs. That's right, Whitey. That's why you're not sending anybody over here, Whitey. Is that it, Whitey? Whitey, is that it? I don't even know what happened to Navid. Navid used to come to our live and stuff. I don't know. He don't come anymore. Village food, no. So that's why I think I'm not being shared out. Because village food would have came to my live if he knew I was live. So I don't think I'm being shared out or something. Yeah, I think I'm on a. They pulled the plugs. They pulled the plugs on me. They pulled the plugs on me. That's what I'm going. I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put. They pulled the plugs on me. Whitey, how could you do that? Why did you pull the plugs on me? Now I have just 0, 0, 0 every life. What is up? Oh, the mango flying with her mom. That's awesome. That's what you must do. The mango take care of your mommy.